Regents exam, Algebra 1, August 2016, problem number 34. Sean incorrectly graphed the inequality negative x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 8, as shown below. Explain Sean's mistake. Graph the inequality correctly on the set of axes below. In this problem, we are provided with a student's solution to an inequality problem. We are asked to determine the mistake that was made in graphing the inequality. We then need to graph the correct inequality. In order to determine the mistake, let's go ahead and solve the problem and compare it with Sean's answer. Let's first rewrite the inequality into the slope-intercept form of a line. So we first add x to both sides of the equation. We then solve for y by dividing both sides of the inequality by -2, making sure we flip the inequality symbol, since we are dividing by a negative number. Doing that, we obtain the following inequality. Next, let's go ahead and graph this inequality. The y-intercept is equal to -4, so we plot the point 0, -4. From here, we use the slope to generate a second point. So we will move 1 unit in the positive y-axis and 2 units in the negative x-axis. Then, it is just a matter of connecting these 2 points with a solid straight line. Taking a look at the student's graph, we notice that so far we do not see any errors. The line of this inequality has been drawn correctly. Next, we need to either shade above or below the line. We can easily determine this by choosing a point and substitute it into the inequality and check to see if we obtain a true statement. The easiest point to test, if possible, is the origin, so we test the point 0, 0. Substituting this point into the inequality and simplifying, we see that we obtain a false statement. This means that we shade the region below the line. Now we see where Sean made a mistake. Sean decided to shade the region above the line, as opposed to the region below the line. This error was most likely made because Sean forgot to switch the inequality symbol during the division step. So the inequality should be graphed with a solid line, and the set of numbers that satisfies the inequality will be those points below and on the line. So this is our final answer.